Hey, Jake. You look a bit stressed. Everything okay?
Hey, Emma. Yeah, just thinking about my money. I feel like I spend too much.
Oh, no. What's going on?
I looked at my bank account yesterday. I only had $120 left for the rest of the month.
Wow. That's not much. What happened?
I don't know. I think I waste money without thinking. Small things add up,
Like what?
like coffee. I buy a $6 latte almost every day.
Oh, yeah. That's $6 times 30 days. That's $180 a month.
Exactly. I didn't realize it until now.
Have you ever made a list of your monthly expenses?
No. Should I?
Yes, it helps a lot. I did it last month. I wrote down everything I spent money on.
Like what?
Groceries, rent, phone bill, coffee, snacks, clothes, even small things like gum.
Wow. Did it help you?
Yes, I saw that I spent $100 on food delivery. I didn't even notice it before.
That's crazy. I think I do the same.
Let's do this. Take out your phone. Let's write a list right now.
Okay. Rent, $800. Groceries, $200. Phone, $60. Gas, $100. Coffee, $180. Wow.
Anything else?
Streaming services, Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, all together $45 a month.
Do you watch all of them?
Not really. I mostly use Netflix.
Then cancel the others for now.
You're right. That's $30 saved right there.
Let's look at what's necessary and what's not.
Okay. Rent, groceries, gas, and phone are necessary.
Yes, coffee, snacks, and extra streaming services are not.
But I love my coffee.
Me too. But you can make coffee at home. It's much cheaper.
That's true. A bag of coffee costs $10 and lasts a month.
Exactly. You could save $170 every month just by doing that.
That's like $2,000 a year. Wow.
Let me give you a tip. Always ask, do I need this or do I want this?
That's a good question.
I use the 24-hour rule. If I want to buy something that's not important, I wait 24 hours.
And then?
After 24 hours, if I still want it and can afford it, I buy it. If not, I forget it.
That's smart. I often buy things on impulse.
We all do. But with practice, you can stop.
Should I make a weekly budget?
Yes, I do mine every Sunday.
How do you do it?
First, I write down my income. Then, I subtract rent and bills. Whatever is left, I divide for the week.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Let's say you make $2,000 a month. Rent, $800. Bills, $200. Groceries, $200. That leaves you $800. Divide that into 4 weeks. That's $200 per week.
And from that, I pay for gas, fun stuff, and savings?
Exactly. But always save first, even just $20 a week.
I like that idea.
Another idea, look for cheaper options,
Like what?
like cooking at home instead of eating out.
That's hard when I'm busy.
Try meal prepping. Cook on Sunday for the whole week.
I'll try that. What else?
Use coupons, shop on sale, and don't shop when you're hungry.
Why not hungry?
Because you buy more food when you're hungry.
True. Emma, how much should I try to save?
Start small. Try to save $100 a month.
That feels possible.
If you cut coffee, cancel extra streaming, and cook more, you can save even more.
Yeah, maybe even $200 a month.
Then in 6 months, you'll have $1,200.
That's a great feeling.
Money gives freedom. Even saving a little helps.
How do you stay motivated?
I set goals. For example, I want to buy a new laptop in 4 months. So I save each week.
I want to go to New York next year.
Perfect. That's your goal. Start saving today.
Thanks, Emma. You really helped me.
Anytime, Jake. Budgeting can feel hard, but it gets easier.
Okay, I'm going home to cancel some subscriptions and make coffee.
Great. Text me if you need more help.
I will. Thanks again. Let's hang out again soon.
For sure. And next time, let's bring our own coffee.
Deal. Hey, Emma. I'm at the store. I'm trying to stick to my budget.
That's great. Did you make a shopping list?
Yes, I wrote down what I need. Eggs, bread, milk, rice, and chicken.
Perfect. Stick to the list. Don't buy extra snacks.
I usually grab chips and soda, but not today.
Good job. Also, check for store discounts and use your loyalty card.
Yes, I already scanned the weekly ad. Chicken is on sale.
Nice. Small savings add up. You'll see the difference by the end of the month.
Emma, guess what? I made my own lunch today.
Awesome. What did you make?
A simple sandwich with turkey and cheese, and some fruit.
Yum. That's way cheaper than eating out.
Yeah, I used to spend $12 a day at the cafe near work.
So $12 a day for 20 workdays is $240 a month.
That's crazy. I never thought about it that way.
Now imagine saving $240 every month. You can do a lot with that money.
Hey, I checked my bank app. I found another subscription I forgot about.
Really? What was it?
A music app I don't even use anymore. It's $10 a month.
That's $120 a year just for music you don't use.
I canceled it right away. I also stopped the gym membership.
You don't go to the gym?
No, I went twice in 6 months.
Try home workouts on YouTube. They're free.
Good idea. More savings.
Another trick I use is carrying cash.
Why?
When I use my card, I spend more without thinking. But cash feels real,
Interesting. So if I take $100 for the week, I can see how fast I spend it.
Exactly. It helps you be more careful.
I'll try that next week. Just cash, no card. Sometimes I shop online when I'm bored.
Same. But I've learned to stay away from shopping apps.
How?
I deleted the apps from my phone. Out of sight, out of mind.
That's smart. I'll delete them too.
And unsubscribe from shopping emails. They always tempt you with sales.
Right. 50% off makes me click right away.
But remember, if you don't need it, it's still wasting money, even at 50% off.
Emma, do you ever feel bored without spending money?
Not really. There are free things to do.
Like what?
I go for walks, visit the library, watch free shows, or hang out with friends at the park.
That sounds fun and affordable.
Exactly. Having fun doesn't mean spending a lot.
I want to try a no-spend weekend.
That's a great challenge. Let's do it together.
I told my roommate about saving money, and now he's also making coffee at home.
Nice. You're becoming a money-saving pro.
We even do meal prep together on Sundays.
That's awesome. Having someone to do it with makes it easier.
Yes, and we both bring lunch to work now.
You're setting a good example.
Feels good to be smart with money.
Jake, do you track your savings?
Not really. Should I?
Yes. I use a notebook. Every week, I write how much I saved.
That sounds simple.
It helps me see progress. Even $10 saved feels good.
I'll start a savings tracker today.
You'll be surprised how fast it grows.
Emma, I'm starting to feel more in control of my money.
That's amazing. What's your next goal?
I want to build an emergency fund.
Great idea. Start with $500, then $1,000.
It will take time, but I'm ready.
Step by step. You're doing awesome.
Thank you for all your help, Emma. I learned so much.
I'm happy to help. Saving money is a skill, and now you have it.
I'll keep tracking, cutting expenses, and saving more.
That's the spirit. Remember, small changes equal big results.
Let's meet again next month to talk about our progress.
Deal. And this time, the coffee is homemade.
Of course.
Thanks for watching. We hope this simple English conversation helped you learn how to talk about money and savings. Keep practicing every day and you'll improve fast. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English speaking practice.